Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy GMC's 07 to 13 Silverado and Sierra. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. In another video, we show how to remove the bed on this truck. We recommend doing so when installing this part. Step 3. Begin by jacking up the rear axle and supporting it with the jack stands to relieve tension on the leaf springs. Using a 24mm socket, remove the forward leaf spring mount on both sides and remove the leaf spring from its pocket. Step 4. Using a 21mm socket, remove the upper shock bolts to allow the rear axle and leaf spring assembly to swing out of the way. Step 5. Place the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage in areas that need to be cut away. Step 6. This part features multiple perforated sections to allow the user to pick and choose which mounts to replace or retain. It is up to the user to decide which needs to be replaced on the frame. Cut sections of the replacement frame piece as desired. Step 7. Before installing the replacement piece, we recommend using a weld-through primer to help protect the part from corrosion. Step 8. Push the part onto the frame and begin welding it along all edges. If applicable, either keep the existing body and leaf spring mounts or install the Rustbuster ones in their place by welding their perimeter. Each mount features alignment holes. Use these with the frame sections to correctly align them. Step 9. Reinstall leaf spring and axle assembly into place. And you're done!